From housing to health care delivery, this time the Lagos State government is enjoining all residents to embrace the state's health insurance scheme that will help to achieve universal health coverage. This was echoed at the launch of the regulatory function of the State Health Management Agency.
The health sector in Lagos State has been receiving more attention under the administration of Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, especially because of the situation created by the COVID-19 pandemic. Though a global pandemic, it has become an eye-opener on how to get things right in a sector that deals with life and death. One of the policies that's being pushed to the public constantly is the Lagos Health Insurance Scheme. With the unveiling of the scheme's regulatory functions, the state government is appealing to residents to key into this policy for better access to quality health care.
When Lagos State House of Assembly enacted the LSHS Law number 4/2015, which created the Lagos State Health Management Agency LASHMA and Lagos State Health Schemes LSHS, the primary objective was to ensure that all residents of Lagos State have access to affordable and qualitative health care services. Other benefits of the LHS include the reduction of out-of-pocket expenses on health care and limiting the rise in cost of healthcare services. The elimination of the hardship caused by families by the payment of huge medical bills, delivery of efficient as well as high standard healthcare services across all medical facilities in the state. LSHS law mandates that residents of Lagos State in both the public and private sectors are to be registered on the scheme by having a health plan purchased from HMOs and MHAs that have been licensed by the agency.
The aim is to make it easier for the Health Management Agency to achieve universal health coverage for all residents.
LASHMA will be working towards providing universal healthcare coverage in Lagos State. The first thing is to ensure that an egalitarian system is created where everyone has equitable access to quality healthcare systems. It is also to ensure that the out-of-pocket expenditure is reduced to the minimum. Right now, out-of-pocket expenditure ranges between 70 to 80%, both in the country and in Lagos State. What this does is that it exposes people to financial hardship and impoverishment, which further worsens their case. So the essence of LASHMA is to create a health financing mechanism that would assist in pre-pooling funds that will be used to purchase services through both private and public facilities.
Sensitization and awareness. People need to know that health insurance is mandatory in Lagos State. People need to know that health insurance is actually for their benefits, and there are loads of benefits to get from ensuring that you have health insurance cover for your family. People need to understand that insurance is not praying or longing for misfortune, it's saving for a rainy day.
The state health insurance policy gave birth to Ilera-Eko, and the commencement of the regulatory functions will allow stakeholders achieve the desired result.
We need to reach everybody because this is actually an integral part of the deliverables of Mr. Governor in Lagos State, and we need the support of the general populace to be able to believe in what we are doing.
LASHMA is the regulator in this industry in Lagos, and the role of the regulator is to operate a level playing field. On our part, we pledge to collaborate with the level playing field doctrine of LASHMA and to support the agency in the efforts to roll out this mandatory scheme for all Lagosians. One of the problems we had with the scheme at federal government level was that it was not made compulsory, so that a law that is not compulsory cannot be implemented easily.
General Manager of the State's Health Management Agency assures residents that the Ilera-Eko scheme will be expanded to cover critical health issues.
We were enhancing the current Ilera-Eko standard plan, so we are adding more things into that package simply because the actuarial analysis that we conducted told us that there is enough space to accommodate a few things under that plan. We are also coming up with what we call the Ilera-Eko Plus, and there will be, I think she mentioned in particular something to do with cancer, there will be a facility for there to be some level of payouts to a certain amount for some of the beneficiaries under either the Ilera-Eko standard or the Ilera-Eko plan. And those are going to be launched, packaged and launched to the public from the 1st of January 2022. You did mention something about general hospitals. I think the feedback that we get, because we have the 24-hour contact center, and the agency is very particular about constant capacity building and engagement with the providers, whether they're public or they're private, because there are standards that we hold them to. And those complaints are dealt with very strict and laid out guidelines with the facilities.
For now, only 500,000 residents of Lagos are registered under the Ilera-Eko Health Initiative out of over 20 million people, and the state government is calling on more individuals to take advantage of the healthcare plan and enjoy the benefits.